What is the theoretical yield of waffles if you have 5 cups of flour, 9 eggs, and 3 tablespoons of oil? What's the limiting ingredient? And here is our very basic recipe. That's what it's called, a recipe. Don't try this recipe at home. It's not going to work out well. It'll work for this problem though. So we've got 5 cups of flour. Well, let's write that down. Let's organize our information using our equation, our recipe here. So we've got 5 cups of flour, and we have 9 eggs and 3 tablespoons of oil. And the question is, what's the theoretical yield, or how many waffles can we make if we don't drop any on the floor or burn any? How many waffles? Well, we're given more than one number to start with, and that should tip us off that it's a limiting reactant problem. That and the question here, what's the limiting ingredient? Right? So what we need to do is we need to say, well, if we could use all 5 cups of flour, how many waffles? If we could use all 9 eggs, how many waffles? If we can use all 3 tablespoons of oil, plenty of everything else, how many waffles? We're going to do 3 equations. So let's do that. So 5 cups of 5 cups of waffles. That would be interesting. 5 cups of flour. And so the recipe tells us we're going to get 4 waffles for every 2 cups of flour. Not fluorine. This is the one place you can write flour in chemistry class. So 5 times 4 is, divided by 2 is 10. So we could make 10 waffles if we have enough eggs and oil. 3 eggs, and we're going to make 4 waffles. Yeah, it's 9, thank you. Oh my goodness, I'm a mess. I did that just to see if you guys were looking out and paying attention. No, I didn't. We're going to get 4 waffles for every 3 eggs. So that comes out to 12 waffles, right? And I have run out of space. It's okay, I'll just go up to the top. The other ingredient is 3 tablespoons of oil. And we're going to get 4 waffles. I don't know why I remember this. My now 13-year-old used to call them foo-foo when he was, like 2 years old. We have 4 foo-foo for every 1 tablespoon of oil. So if we had enough flour and eggs, then we could make 3 times 4 or 12 waffles. How many waffles can we actually make though? 10. Because at 10 waffles, we run out of flour. We can't make any more. There's not enough flour to make any more waffles. So what we're doing here is we're taking each ingredient, each reactant, and calculating the amount of product. So here we had 3 ingredients and 3 amounts, so we end up with 3 answers. Only one of them can be the correct answer. It's the smallest one. It's always the smallest. Because when we get to 10 waffles, that means that the flour has run out. So the flour is our limiting ingredient, and this is the amount of waffles that we could make.